Welcome guys, Sizwe Sakhe here, Sizwe Sakhe Academy, and this is the global classroom. Here in instruction, calculate the solution set of the following equation with this range of theta being less than or equal to 360 degrees and theta being greater or equal to 0 degrees. So here is our number one. We are given cot into theta minus pi over 2 is equal to 2.41. And this is how we go about it. So we first need to get rid of this cot by introducing an inverse function, which is cot arc cot into theta minus pi over 2 close brackets is equal to arc cot 2.41. This is what we're doing here. What we do on the left, you must also do on the right, and this will cancel and will be left. Let me bring it closer this side. Just this, it's theta minus pi over a 2 is equal to cot arc 2.41, which is equal to, just want us to do it in a calculator, where here we say just want to put this in writing how we do this. We basically say in punching a calculator here, we punch, maybe let me do it here, make it easy. So we say press 2.41 in your calculator, followed by second function. There's a button in your calculator, it's called second function, and then there's a function which is 1 over x. This is the function you press, 1 over x. So it's 2.1, 2.41, second function 1 over x. It will give you a figure. Right now it's giving me, this is equal to 0.414937759. And then once you've pressed this function, this, and gives you this, you go back to second function. Maybe let me write it here. Second function, and then you press that inverse of this, which is cot arc. Its inverse is tan. I press the button written tan on top, tan. It gives me an angle of, all this is equal to 2.535 degrees, which I would round off if I want to 2 decimal places, would be equal to 2.54 degrees. So this would be my answer. Just thought I should show you this so that you know how it works with the calculator. Try this route. Press 2.41 second function, and the inverse, it will give you an answer, and then on that answer you say second function, and then it gives you an answer 22535. In fact, here you don't press an equal, and here you don't press an equal, so I might as well take equal and just let you know it will just follow. Press 2.41 second function 1 over x, it will just give you this, and then you press second function, it will give you an angle. So this is the function, is the y value, it's the function, and then you get an angle here. That's why it says 1 over x. It's an inverse of this one, so it gives you an angle. But remember, some calculators work opposite. Some start from and they go backwards. Some would start with second function tan, and then you press the 2.41. It depends on your calculator, but your calculator should give you eventually an answer of 22.535 degrees or 22.54 degrees. Depends on how it will round off this thing. I just thought I should show you this so that you know how to operate your calculator. Right, so this is the angle I'm getting from this one. So let me go back to my sum and carry on. So we've got theta minus pi over 2 is equal to, here it's 22.535 degrees. I'll just use, you can use 5.4, you can use 5.35, and this is what I have. Right, so when I'm here, I have to ask myself, in which quadrant is cot positive? Cot is positive because we are given a positive number here. So cot is positive in the first and third quadrant. I have only the first and the third quadrant. I've got this. This doesn't necessarily mean this is the first quadrant. This, yes, it worked out to give me a 22.535, but I still have this side to deal with. So I have theta is equal to 22.535 degrees. Remember, pi over 2, this is a negative, it goes this side, it's a positive. Pi over 2 is the same as 90 degrees. So here I have to add and find out theta to be 90 plus 22.535 is equal to 112.535 degrees. This is it, and it has to be within this frame. But remember, cot is positive in two quadrants, the first and the third. So let's go and sort out the third. We've sorted out the first one. Let's go and sort out the third. So we have theta minus pi over 2 being equal to 180 degrees. The third quadrant is 180 plus. So we've got 180 degrees plus the 22.535 degrees. So this would equal to a theta equaling to 180 plus 22.535 is equal to 202 point, excuse me, 535 degrees. Remember, we've got a 90 here, and negative turns this side to be positive. Pi over 2 is 90 degrees. So we've got our theta to be 292.535. This is our answer. And remember, we have 1 theta. We are given 1 theta. So we don't have to do a revolution. We just finished with our theta. It goes round. Basically, we're given 1 revolution, so to speak. Moving from here to here. That's all we have. 360, and we are told to find out it's positive in the first and in the third. That's where cot is positive. So this is the function, it's in degrees here. So this is our answer. Therefore, our theta is equal to 112.535 degrees and also in 292.535 degrees. This is our solution. This is our solution for this sum. Always remember your radians and convert them to degrees. Pi over 2 is 90. If you're not sure of this and you don't know what is this, check our video where we deal with radians, pi radians, where we explain them from the scratch, where they come from, how we get about to find out to use them, where do they come from. It's explained in the video there in pi radians. Go and check and learn about the radians. Well, thank you guys. watching.